Why do 2 million visitors flock to the Great Barrier Reef every year? Discover the breathtaking beauty and vital importance of this aquatic paradise. Spanning over 132,806 square miles, the Great Barrier Reef is not just the largest coral ecosystem on our planet, it's a vibrant underwater city teeming with life. Here, the water dances with colors as sunlight filters through, illuminating corals that have thrived for millennia. Home to thousands of species, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. It's a sanctuary for sharks, majestic rays, elusive sea snakes, and playful marine turtles. Bony fish weave through the coral castles, and marine mammals echo their songs through the deep. This protected national park stands as a testament to the beauty and resilience of our natural world. It's a living, breathing reminder of what we stand to lose if we don't protect our planet's most delicate ecosystems. So, let's cherish and safeguard this global treasure for generations to come.